bwe yali akula ewaabwe bamugamba twagala okule tulabe kaddaali ofumbirwe okwekolera abalungi. It was a dream, but it's only God who gives a blessing in a dream. If you cannot follow a dream without God.
How should I eat in a food?
I can't say was no. Banakulio in Ankanyanya. Enkanya Basilia was over Jajao. No such a in a fear. Possible when you want me a cancer. Can you mind Bina Mukwana, Omugano 70 years and plus? That is his age mate. Because the next year we are approaching 55. How old are you, Bina, how old are you? The 7 in Angulina. 2008. Bina baby the plus. I don't want to look at the monopoly. I say you, Prosper. What man this when you run now the pig. Hey, Yada, I'm sorry. That's why you have fun. Omugobe de radio, no mugobe da muri your life, no mugobe na mukufumba.
Naye Bajjo. Bajjo kanye ngwada kubuti
Saka nde.
Wacho kanye.
Wala sasa kamera yako ngenda hivi. Kasija kuja. Tumura kasija bodi kasi. Yako ni kamera hivi.
Ndio big jump. Wacha big
Banafa bagoya programs za Biva Organic nze Dr. Senjobe nakuuka mu butonde kujjanjabisa mmere middo na bibala. Biva Organic tuli wano Mengo opposite Masengere ku Biva Organic House ne Hoima opposite Equity Bank. Olwanja kati twogere ku clove oil benefits ne clove tea benefits mafuta ya kalafu oba gwe tuyita pilau masala nga bwolaba ku screen yawo. Fe ku Biva Organic tukolamu ka clove oil kano ne tukolamu n'amajani ga clove tea. Abantu abalina ekizibu ky'okuba nti owunya akamwa kakuyamba akadagala kano kalinamu eugenol medicinal component. Kayamba nnyo ku bantu abalina toothache ng'olumizibwa amannyo tonyeza awali erinnya erikuluma oba senyesa akadagala kano ng'omaze otteekako toothpaste. Olwa eugenol benefits ze kalina ne nakyo anti-inflammatory kajja kuyambako nnyo kendeeza belly fats ate n'okuspeeding up bile production mwabalina high cholesterol levels. Nze Dr. Senjobe.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Banange, welcome to Love Life. Doreen, Bina baby, sometimes you call and say, Ella when Bang and say, Catalo Bagamat, Bina, Ali busy, engaged, like a Samunda and Bamula Bina. So, Rally to train a Bina, so it's a Narero, and you go to Ina. That she looks young. It has never happened on Love Life. Something new, 2025. Naye tunaba kwengelea nja wako beza aba Biva Organics. So if you mind about your health, remember Biva Organics. Okay, number yako area ku screen. Saka barisayo Bina. Over to you. I know ukakutewa no ate Bina yagala nyaba. So I know she's fascinated.
Dange.
Just you know.
Twaja wano kuyaya.
She looks, but when you're in 10 years.
No, I'm 19.
kali May 19 Metwaja Benaja kuyaya I saw these beautiful bags ne bagamba ne donuts dodo laga ku bantu donuts ezo so ne bagamba nti we are fundraising for a child kanenga child kyasobola okukola bino ebintu ziri thick mwatu Nebuuza kugamba then I got concerned nengamba ono tumunoonye tulabe
nnyo amakamba omanyi fe twogera amazima wano bagesa abasinga tubanoonya ne Bina nalabye nga akkiriza bebi waffe ono nengamba Bina abaza kaki tubanyambye over to Bina because I know things that make Bina happy or fascinate Bina.
Yes, Banange.
Aba ina passion in them, so that's why I was like over to Bina. So we yangamba to, in fact, this is a one day over. She didn't even think.
Yes.
She's like, I don't know, money.
Sunday, yes.
Why?
Diana, why were you? But
she
always Diana. Yes, she's called Diana. Neranga Diana usanyise nnyo kulaba. Naye omanyi Oluganda? Yo Diana. Omanyi? Small. Okimanyi abaana b'ennaku zino. Abaana b'ennaku zino, you know what happens? Tebantu tebakyamanyi Luganda. Naye ng'oli Muganda.
Nedda.
What's your name? Your Diana? Atugonza.
Mutoro.
Empako?
Avoid.
Nanyo weyanga abwoli. Otabwoli chali. Ora okurungi. Nanyo ndo okurungi.
Can you make a sentence?
Yes.
She can't. I dare her.
Ensaho zinu zibonire muno chali. Ninzigonza. Kwonka akangambe ensaho zinu niwo kuzikola nagamba gizoka ne babiha.
Ninyowe.
Really?
Ego.
So,
this cardboard.
Oh, so tell me, inspiration, wajija, where did you get the inspiration from?
Oh, I was inspired by my mother.
Okay.
My mother, she actually worked so hard for me.
Yes.
So like, I want to help her out with the household stuff, work stuff. So yeah, I do this to like earn money and help her out.
Yes.
But like I have so many reasons as to why I do this.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
So,
one of them.
So, are you a student? Are you a, I don't want to use the word dropout.
No, I'm a student. That's
Are you a young mother?
No. No, I can't say.
You know, with COVID, so you can't get it out. So
No.
I was told, yes.
I'm not a mother. I am a vacist that's just done with her Form 6.
Okay.
Yeah, waiting on my results.
Oh.
So, there is something they mentioned about you collecting money for cancer, or that you have a history.
Yeah, me and my family have a history with like a number of our relatives being sick, diagnosed with cancer.
Oh dear.
It started with like my grandmother, then my auntie.
Yes.
Then last year in March, I lost an auntie also again.
Cancer still. What type of cancer?
She had liver cancer,
Cancer. Oh,
but then
dear.
the past two had breast cancer.
So basically, you have that cancer running in the family.
Exactly.
I hope you do checkups.
Yeah, we do.
Hey, oh, that's very good, because they said when you have cancer running in the family, you need to do checkups. So then I was told you sell these bags and donuts to raise school fees. Is that true?
Basically, maybe to help out with my mom's duties. Yeah, because sometimes I see her moving like extra miles to see that my siblings are in school, I'm in school. So like it pushes me to like, you know what? I need to help her. I'm in VAC, like why not?
Are you the firstborn?
No, I'm a second born. I'm the middle kid.
The middle kid. So why are you saying that you're helping out? I understand, well, it's good to have that generous heart.
Yeah.
But why did you decide to help out your mom? Like, meet her halfway? Like, where's your dad?
Oh, my dad. My dad is there, but not there. But he's there.
I understand. Yes.
So you grew up with your mom?
Yeah, I've grown up with my mom.
All your siblings too?
Deadbeat daddies. Okay. I understand. So meaning even when it comes to requirements and everything, your dad doesn't come through. It's you who helps out in most cases.
He sometimes
He sometimes does. Okay. So now where do you get the material? In fact, the inspiration to even do this? Because you're young. Essex vac?
Yeah.
You must be like about, anyway, to forget a miaka job and
Get the 19. How old are you? What do you want to know? So like when did you start, like is it in your blood? Does your mom does does she do the knitting thing?
No, she doesn't.
So what happened? You just woke up one day?
No, just
You said,
waking
I
up
need
one
money.
day.
You know how girls need money.
Okay, yeah, you need money to look
You
good.
know,
Yes.
But I wanted to get a job and be employed, but then you guys, people are not easy.
I know.
You get employed, some want to pay you, some don't even pay you.
because you're young, what are you going to use the money for?
A lot of things.
So it's not
You have
okay.
needs.
Yeah, exactly. But then, like, okay, I got a job at Caramel. My first day at work, I fainted. It was crazy, and I'm like, I actually can't work.
Those things of standing the whole
Yes,
day. I know.
I stood the
Being a
whole
waitress.
day.
Yes,
It's like,
okay, microphone. You stood the whole day?
thank you.
Yes.
I stood the whole day, walked around, but then I don't know where it came from. I
Just
just
fainted.
yes, I woke
knocked
up
out.
and then everyone was like, "What happened? What's wrong with you?" And I have nothing to say to them. So yeah.
Had you eaten?
Yes, food is life.
With your structure and at your age. Normally people you don't
So
want to
when
eat.
they woke you up, you are like, this is not my job.
Yeah. No.
So did you try to look for other jobs?
Yes, of course. I moved around. You know, hustles.
I know.
You move around.
Yeah.
Give me a job. I'll call you. No one calls you. If they call you, you're working for free. No one is giving you money.
Others are giving you transport.
But they're giving you,
Yes.
but at least to get a job, a paying job, you need to have work experience.
I know,
So
but,
they are helping you with the work experience.
They are, but basically, I have a vision. I want to do my cancer charity up front there. And then I'm like, I'm doing charity for these guys, but then who is going to do my charity?
Right?
Yeah.
Need
So I'm
money.
like, So I'm like,
But they were giving it. Were they willing to give you transport?
transport, but Gayaza is far. Even the transport you're using
Yeah, true.
may end up being like you adding in more money.
So then how did we get here?
Through TikTok.
TikTok?
So for us to be there seeing people dancing and abusing themselves, go before you're there looking for people who are doing something for themselves.
Basically, yeah, I was just inspired by, scrolling through and then something just pops up your screen. And then I see this, I see those, and I'm like, wait a minute, I can do this, I can do this. So yeah, that's how I
So you made research and found out what exactly they need to come up with that.
exactly, yeah.
Oh, so then where did you get the money for the materials?
Oh yeah. So about that, I approached my mother. I'm like, I can do this. Look at the beautiful things they are making. If I start now, then I think in the future I'll be even better. I can, build up something, maybe at the level of my own.
Bla wamuyiya. Bwe natunda nefuna sente nja kuzimbira ennyumba
Range Rover.
karenjova nja kugulira emmotoka.
Yes.
I know those things.
So and then until she said yes, so she said sirina sente.
At first yagamba sina sente. And I'm like, kati nkoze ntya.
Ng'ogende watata ono omuweereza ka message.
Namuweereza. And he was like,
Please.
I have a lot. Exactly. But at that moment,
Bonga balowooza oli mu katemba.
exactly. So at that moment, I even lose focus. I'm like, oh, Banange, where am I going to steal this money from?
Yes.
That's
No, not stealing.
Yeah, you get to
But
get the
like,
money.
where am I going to get this money from? Because I can't afford. Yeah, so I talk things. Okay, I have this cousin I run to whenever I have those,
Issues.
No.
Your girl talk things.
So she hears me out. She's like, just be patient. Patience, you guys. Yeah.
The boyfriend? Couldn't the boyfriend? Naye boyfriends of these days. That's one.
Stingy.
Yes,
No, okay. Basically, everyone is people stingy. Men of these days.
Thank you so much.
Men of these days are stingy.
Look at the cameraman is laughing. These men.
They're stingy.
So now, how did you manage to get all this?
So yeah, my mom, randomly she wakes up and she's like, to get them town. Like, okay. So we go, and she takes me to this random shop.
Yes.
It sells this stuff, and I'm like, she's like, hey, you told me, like,
Oh, so you
thank
pick.
you.
Sweet mom.
Yeah, so that's how I got
That's how you got
Oh.
the money.
So,
So the experience, how did you start? Because now remember, she was buying for you. Those were trials, right? I'm sure because I know your mom. By the time she went there, by the time she bought for you, she didn't ask you a lot of questions. So
Yeah.
how did you do it, like to perfect? Because I know you're still on that road, but at
Of
least
course.
so far so good. That is beautiful.
Yeah.
So the fact that you
So
started, was it last year
in November.
November? We are in March.
Yeah.
You're talented.
Kind
That is
of.
good.
yes, this is good.
Wow.
This is lovely.
3 months, that is good. So how long did it take you to perfect it? Because now remember, you are wasting material, definitely, because you had to learn.
Of course. So I'm like pushed to learn so fast because I'm wasting a lot of money learning. Plus, by the way, you guys, YouTube helps.
Hey, YouTube helps, eh?
Yeah.
So
I learned all this.
YouTube as
YouTube.
But you
well.
say
eh?
TikTok.
TikTok
No,
got the
TikTok,
idea.
I got the idea.
Yes.
Then I go to YouTube for tutorials.
Nitty-gritty and everything. Yeah. That's nice.
So you know people who have benefited from TikTok.
Yeah.
Wow.
Basically.
Kati now, what was the first thing that you did? Was it a bag, a doormat? Or
It was, I did a bag, which was actually at first
Bigger than this?
You do messes. There are a lot of messes.
Yeah.
And then the second one comes out like
Ish,
promising you're gonna be there, and then someone comes from nowhere and they're like, I can buy your second bag. I'm like, but it's not perfect. Then they're like, no, it's okay. It's okay.
How much?
I gave it to them at 35.
Oh, that was good.
And
That's some size?
and they didn't even mind. I was like, I screamed.
So it gave you more motivation.
Exactly. Yeah.
So let me also. So, what did you do with that money? The 35,000.
I had to buy more material. When you're still like working on your business, you still have to invest.
Did you hear the word? Working on your business.
You know, me at your age, I would have thought of buying, let me tell you. No.
Makeup.
You invested. That is nice.
So you reinvest.
So you reinvested it.
That is nice.
So it's still YouTube told you about reinvesting or business.
No.
And then how did you come up with the idea of 35,000?
I took entrepreneurship and economics at
HSC?
A level. So I've basically known how to start up a business. Okay, everything you learn it in entrepreneurship. So So from there I know when you're to sell something, you have to make accountability of everything you've used.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I hear you.
Then after making accountability, that's when you can determine the prices you're going to use to sell. Yeah. Then after that,
Yeah.
that's how I determine the price.
Bajjo kamalirize interview ogenda kungwako. Zizino muna so how long will it take you?
Oh, it takes me 2 days.
2 days.
Finish a bag.
Yeah?
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, it takes you 2 days.
So what else do you do apart from a bag? I'm seeing a doormat. Same days.
Yeah.
Then there's something you said. You said like what Bina is putting on. It's like,
Like
I
mine.
can also crochet.
crochet that.
Oh, this is a crochet.
Crochet kinda.
Crochet
She
kinda.
doesn't even know what she's putting on.
I don't know.
So off air, I told you I want something like that, but I want it a bit bigger. Yeah, so I can either do a biker or a legging.
I can't wait.
So
You get it.
And when I get it, I'll come back and tell this guy.
So
Yes.
how much do you earn on this on a bag?
Also, since I don't want to like overly extract people.
Yes.
I only get 10K from that
Eh.
as my interest.
Oh, you do what?
Which, okay, I earn 10K from that.
Yes.
Of which at home, I made up this thing of like, each month we have to contribute 5K in the household, like all of us, so that we like save up the 5K each month, so that at the end of the year we can like do charity to the Cancer Institute.
Oh.
Yeah.
So now, if you're going to join university, I wanted to find out. Who is your target? Because you told me you studied at A level, you studied economics. You must be having a target audience.
Yeah, I do. I actually do.
Budget vehicle.
I would love to. That's a crazy question.
Is it the girls, the young ones like Dodo, or also us? The old ones like Bajjo is saying.
Everyone.
Guys,
Like-
hammering Bina.
Any,
So you're targeting everyone, eh?
everyone.
That's nice.
And why the concept of the doormat?
It brings some beauty in a household. Like
Yes.
imagine coming in someone's house and then like the first thing that welcomes you is something that's crafty
Yes.
or a centerpiece
Oh.
that's like at the sitting room and like it's all giving this
You know, all giving Dodo. Ndimo kuyiga.
So if I want
Kale Bajjo ali ku university naita mayina luzungu lwaba.
Does she have cancer?
no,
No,
family,
I don't.
It's in the family.
It's in the family.
3 people so far
Passion
died.
yajjawo.
Passion.
Passion.
Passion yakuyamba ba cancer. Yayamba ffe basiriimu.
Gwe tolina siriimu weekebeza. Naye lwaki Bajjo tajja wano n'abikolera kosa?
Where is the passion comes from?
Bajjo, come and sit here.
Come and sit and
Come, Bajjo, come.
passion.
Ama tell me, where is the passion comes from?
Bajjo, please come.
Kulira na Bina.
Okay, kale tugenda wali ewa Dodo.
Wandikesa mukazi w'omutwale. This passion is issue nyama.
Where is the passion?
Where is the passion come from for cancer patients?
Oh, you could get a chair there.
I've
Get for
lost-
him a
I'm
chair.
here.
I've lost a
But you don't
number
have a microphone.
A number of people.
yeah, 3 of them from that disease, the cancer disease.
What about you never met HIV infected people?
I would also do charity for them.
You would do what?
I would do charity for them. But at first, I wanted to honor
Cancer.
the cancer patients.
Because the problem with the cancer, tawona ate sirimu atwali is prolonged disease.
but cancer waliwo abawona. Waliwo abawona. No detecting amangu. The good thing is that family yaye bakimanyi, so they keep checking.
You can also make, even when their lives is like they're left with little life. Okay, like they're left with a less lifespan.
Yes.
You can also make the little days they're left with special,
Memorable.
Yeah.
But then I am also wondering if all the people that had cancer passed on, which now, like why do you get the? Why are you helping the Cancer Institute?
Because I feel like
You want to help the patients because
I just want to see them smile at least. I don't know. I just want to see them be happy.
Anyway,
I've seen them in a lot of. I've seen my relatives in a lot of pain.
Yes.
And then like they do not even have. Okay, they already know they are going to die. So like, why don't you make the little days they are left with memorable? Okay, like something they can look at and be like, yeah, I'm in a lot of pain, but yesterday was something worth it.
Olaba ne gundi ne ku Cancer Institute, most people abantu abalwala cancer, their families baba like tebaba chalira. Yes, that's what the doctors say. Kati oluusi oyina okukwata mu sente, oyina okukwata mu nsawo.
Wese obachalira.
Munaye ndoza babeera balowooza bagenda kufa. So the first days babeera babachalira, but then those last days yani nga batugamba tulina omuntu wofuna obudde, you just pass by and then you visit them, like them seeing their face. Bajjo tebakuwulira. Bajjo tebakuwulira. Do you know that? Microphone.
You talk so simple.
Yes.
As if you are empathetic.
No, seriously, I am, my dear. I am. Bajagamba mbu nina omutima omubi.
Buno Bina wano alimpogera bulungi.
Ya musimu.
Babie yakuvuma.
Aya.
Wamma kati so Sunday nena mutwale bakwali mutusumbuwa. Agenda kulya. Bashto mutwala mu kisenge kye. Bajjo mutwale mu kisenge. Dodo muyiseewo wano speed. Kati Diana. So we're still talking about. So where did you get you? So all you need is this. So this is what you use to also make the doormats and the handbags.
The doormats has it has something different, a different kind of material, but it's kind of like this too. You just have to knit on it.
And they told me when you're starting up a business, the little research I did, I was told you start with family. Is that true?
Yeah. Yes.
So is it family and friends that are helping?
Family, friends, they
first
refer you, yes. They refer you to other people.
How much is this bag?
It's at 40.
This is 40,000. Do you know why I'm smiling? Because this is what I would put actually in my bag.
Where? Bajjo agenda kugulira akasawo. Nekano kalina nnyeneko.
Kuwagira Cancer Institute era jazisasula obadde kiro jubisa.
Asasule kati.
Toyogera mu nyino wako. Ingo mugambi sente ntono. You don't have any samples here.
Akugulira ne domat, mugambe tolina domat. The dress that you're going to make. Yes, the dress that you're going to make. What is it called? Your crochet. Crochet.
How much?
It's at 40.
Don't say that.
Hey.
So we're going to say how much? Ola bweno no mwana wabandi.
Abimanye naye yagambe basajja bali stingy obadde ntuse.
So Bajjo genda mugamba mmeka.
We say 100 first. Okay. Bina no balo yokera.
100. Mtu yasoma economics agenda gamba 100.
Tuleke Bina. Wasoma sciences ne bukuleba. Kulangira.
Kuja kumpita. Kati interesting.
Okay.
So
There's something I want to ask about
Yeah.
this doormat. There's somewhere I went recently actually. Someone had a doormat like this and they had customized it, you know, with a name. So if I want, let me say I want to order this and I want to put a name like Bina Baby, you can do that as well.
Yeah.
It's the colors I want.
Yeah, you just have to like when you buy like, okay, let's assume this is the material, yeah? I just have to like design on it, like write the stuff on it. Yes, then all I have to do is like use the threads to like, to bring out the stuff.
oh, this is really
I
cute.
get it, yeah.
You should try.
Mama!
Yes.
I've been saying
Yes,
nice.
it's-
And then I like the fact that it blends, by the way.
So you should.
Try. You
It's really easy.
Man, I didn't even see how
So you just
see?
pierce in here.
I tried like about, how many did I do? Not 4?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano bwayingizamu kikigawe.
Then come in here from behind.
Like, is it like a leaf?
Here?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. The downer one. No. Yes.
Oh.
I can't believe it took you.
And it takes just 2 days.
Yeah.
Hey!
Insert another one.
So what
at
are you
least.
doing here? A bag?
Yeah.
You're doing a bag?
So it's the very one you used to.
Until the
Exactly.
until the square or the hole is closed totally.
So is that what? Even I like the word crochet.
Yeah.
Crochet.
Crochet.
Auntie Bajjo is around, but the pronunciation yange again.
Crochet.
Crochet. So that's what you also use to do the crochets.
I use different type of thread, but yeah.
With this.
Not specifically this, but another kind of thread.
No.
Another kind of yarn.
I'm saying this is what.
Oh no.
No.
Now that's just with my hands or the machine. Yeah.
Cute. I'm going to say 2 days, like you have speed. Just imagine, because I have a feeling you have to fill up all these holes, eh? Yo,
And then how do you pull it out?
for working.
Yeah.
So you mean how do you pull it? Because now I'm wondering. So how will you pull it out?
Like
How will the design come out of here?
oh, it just naturally comes out. It depends on the patterns you're using at that moment.
Yes.
So me, I decided to choose this one. But if I used another pattern, it would still come out differently but nicely.
So let me ask, first of all, because you know you're above 18, there are kids on internet even that are below and above, yeah?
Yeah.
There's something that even Bina mentioned, like, hey, like, hopefully you're not a single mom. You know those things? Eh?
No.
Don't worry. I'm saying. And yeah, we're like, wow. So by the time a child, you know, graduates or even before, even in their graduation or whatever vacation, and they're not pregnant in this generation, you thank God. Like, just so your mom is proud of you. So I want to know, how have you, you know, we have needs, eh? So how have you handled the boyfriend situation? Because it happens.
Have you seen her look?
I've
Boyfriend
seen.
situation.
Yeah. So what do you do?
Okay, so boyfriend situation.
Yeah.
Personally, right now I'm not dating.
So when they come out, what do you say?
You're not my type.
You're not my type. At that.
You see, at this age,
No. So why do you say you're not my type? Is there a particular type?
basically they will not disturb you.
That's a trick you use, eh?
Yes, even if he is like, yeah,
Your
you know,
type,
your
yeah.
type, like, sikwagala.
So how did you know the settlement you made that they are stingy? Do you ask them for money and then they run away? What do you do?
Even friends who are boys, Banange, to get money from them. Okay, no, not like it's their
No, I understand.
duty or what, but you're like in need and you need help at that moment.
As a
Yes,
friend,
as a friend.
with no strings attached.
Mama,
Tell that to Bajjo.
they'll have these responses that are savage. So you do
Like
that
what?
with them.
Am I your husband? Am I your dad? Those things.
But I think but Bajjo is different.
But it does what?
Bajjo gives.
Mbona you're on his side.
He has very nice nails, at least he knows. Amani, imejionesha kama sawa anachogera. Bajjo babu.
So what advice would you give to girls out there? Because at this age, I'm surprised because I thought you're gonna come, how we explore.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Yes. So what's up? How come?
You first give priority to some things and other things will come later. Like, it's just, you'd rather first be rich than, those other stuff.
That's the wrong moment.
I should be like, 1 month, let me tell you.
When first become rich.
Bajjo, you refuse to
You become rich.
And then she will get me. She's starting.
That's the stupidest mentality.
No, she's now she has
Does
this.
being rich have a dedication?
Just you wait. Like, it's just when there's this saying that says when God opens doors,
Yes.
there is no turning back. No,
But she's 18.
She's 19.
She's 19.
I'm 19.
Once you were 18.
Yes.
That Bina had different maybe.
Like that, by the way, can't you get more Uganda? Buli mukazi atafundwa abaneedoza yitsimu balagaggawa. So it's good to use your youthful age.
No.
You can back when you are still young.
Mwana w'abantu mono na Bajjo.
no.
Mwana w'abantu mono.
This age asobola okuzaana biki. Ayina dream. Kimanyi ali above 18 asobola n'okuba.
What if you pass the road and you get knocked?
We cancel in Jesus' name.
Unless it's my time to die.
So how do you know how your number with
Now what?
your dead body feel pain when you have gone without a kid?
Your dead body feel pains when you're gone without a kid.
No.
Have you understood? No, I haven't understood anything. How can a dead body feel pain?
Bwafira akunyaka 18.
Yes.
Nga balina chance y'abasajja. Obulumi omulambo bwe guwulira busimba awulira.
Naye bannange
Omulambo
guwulira obulumi.
Oba ofudde.
Oba ofudde akola kagamba obeera ofudde.
Let me tell you one thing. Abantu abafa abasumba nti, do you hear about those ghosts? Abantu bali emizimu gye giri ku nsi. They die unhappy, they die in pain.
No, those are the bad spirits.
Mwabakyali abana.
No. Unless now in next charm. But it can't follow you.
It follows you because you can die a miserable person.
Let me ask you a question. Do you pray?
I pray.
Then why do you believe in such stuff?
And because God has
Have you
given,
been haunted
God has
before?
given you that beauty.
No.
You are young.
I'm
Instead of using that
asking.
beauty to be happy in life, you want to end up miserable.
But she's already using the
happy.
beauty.
But don't
She's
say I'm
helping
not
cancer
happy.
patients.
That's not natural happiness.
What natural happiness are you talking about?
The natural happiness, when you have a man, when you enjoy your
She has
life,
already told
that's
you.
the best happiness of
Men are
life.
stingy,
But-
just sin, men are stingy.
That's
But
not happiness.
you'd rather make your own happy.
That woman begs
Yes,
a man
money.
to- You know?
Independent woman.
Abasajja baganyamuwa ssente.
Bagani.
Yes.
Ola agolera ku university nawe agenda ku university tanana kumaliza university otandika muyigiriza bya daddy na mami.
Manga because she's 18.
Yet of course she's above 18. Of course abimanyi. Naye kyengamba Bajjo, her dreams are different. Above 18 asobola n'okufumbirwa.
And she needs to concentrate on her books.
Yes.
No, right now you know life is a
no?
balance. Do not define life. What is life? Life is a balance. You have to balance. There are 3 factors you have to balance in life: economic factors, biological factors, and physical factors.
So we are still on the economic
factors.
We are an economic.
Yes.
Biological factors. You must know how to balance economic and biological factors. Life is about balancing it.
And
She ever balanced it.
I balance.
She balanced it one way. Okay. She never thought about biological factors.
How sure are you that I never thought about biological factors?
Because according to my observation,
Yes.
you might still be having your goat since you were born up to now. Do you know that?
Bambi, they took it kale bagitwala.
Ninawo
secondary.
secondary.
You have a secondary goat.
Yes.
But what made that man who took it and ran away?
Twina a
He never came
19-year-old.
back for life.
He never came back for life.
Eh.
but most people abatujja ku virginity badduka.
Do you know why?
No.
Because we have to live amateur.
That's not the case.
Dreams.
You should learn how to handle men. Men, we are like flowers. We need to be watered constantly.
No.
Damien, no.
Fine, constitution ya Uganda 18 and above abamukulu. Nokujina emyaka asobola okufumbirwa. Ne batamutawaanya government aina dreams.
Banange.
Aina dreams.
Get a man.
No, he wants to first make money and she's inspiring other girls.
Adults.
Depend on men.
When you have a helper, God created the man and the woman. He created the man to help a woman. When you get a man, that man will help you to achieve your dreams. You cannot achieve your dreams single-handedly. According to the population ratio around the world, there are 200% women who can be independent and fulfill their dreams.
2%.
You need a helper in your life.
With the increasing number of single mothers.
Do you know what? Go inspiring our single mothers. And you are the single mothers in this country. Because you are not good mannered.
Are we talking about
shaping the girl's future? Telling how you need a helper who will support your dreams?
Are we talking about single mothers or single mothers?
Single mothers. You cannot balance this life without help.
No, it's not like she's not going to be a single woman for life.
Now when you expect to get married,
The thing is, you have to first work on yourself before you get into a relationship.
So she's working.
what do you mean?
You can't enter a relationship when you're mentally not fine. You can't enter a relationship when you're financially not okay.
Okay.
You know.
Financially not okay. You're not going to ask for you're not going to ask for pads from a man. You're not going to ask for bras.
Thank you.
You're not going to do all that. Everything. Even you yourself, you'll be tired.
So at what age do you wish to get?
When I feel like I'm ready.
When
There is
is
no pressure.
When is
There is no pressure.
When
When I
is
feel
that?
like I'm ready, I'll
So
go.
how many men have you dated?
Why would I date? I'm still young.
She's
I'm
still young.
finished from
Yes, I think on vacation we are A6.
That's
You girl,
that's
are you a
why
virgin?
she is a virgin.
Of course I have to
You a virgin?
Yes. Well, why do you want to know her personal life?
Twagala musi virgin wano mu virgin olabirawo.
Neddo virgin omanyi kitegeeza.
Twagala
Oyo asobola kuba virgin eyo ng'omulaba.
Nkoba kitabira virgin. Very innocent by the way.
Embuzi yaviirako mu kisebe.
Asha kizibu.
Kisoboka. Singa badde nandibadde nga ndaba teyeetonatona omulala.
Let me ask you, Banange, we have very strict parents. Do the a parent being strict on you does that really help?
Yeah, sometimes it does so. And
Yes.
sometimes it's bad.
What do you mean? Like, give me an example where your parents strict.
My mom has been strict, but then in a good way.
Okay.
You know, okay, she is protective in that she knows men have different
Intentions.
different
Thank you.
intentions. Different men have different intentions.
We cancel in Jesus' name. Mama Bajjo, Wama,
You can't be pregnant. You can't get pregnant in the house. Yeah. So
Are
like
you born again?
me, I am a believer in
But you
Christ.
believe in God.
Yes.
Yes.
After that interview, go kneel down to God, tell him, God help me change my mind and my common sense so that I be sober. I want to win this world because there is a reason why God created the two creatures. Kakati gwe bamuyingiza ekintu kimu.
Nedda nange kankugamba ekintu kimu.
no nawe zo
No,
mugambe.
like kansooke nkugamba ekintu.
Wamma kakugambe. Ladies first, Bajjo.
Yes. Why do you say that I need a companion? Yes, I know I need a companion in life. But then why are you making it a thing?
Because
Like,
it's a must biblically.
yes, I've not
It's
refused.
a law from God.
I've not refused.
That's why God created two creatures, Adam and Eve.
See, the thing is like this. I've not said I am not going to get a companion. in the future.
But at which age? Do you want
But
to
then-
get? Do you want to get him when you are approaching
No,
the best age?
no.
Even if she gets to
The
work,
thing
she cannot
is
enjoy
clear.
him.
Mama,
She cannot
enjoy.
enjoy him because menopause. She doesn't go to menopause. You know menopause.
Yes, of course I
You
know.
find menopause.
That period of time whereby ladies can
For
feel
her,
that again.
when she cannot feel the man.
Are you
Because of
sure?
the baby feelings. Now I want to get a man when the feelings. That is long time ago, like her.
No.
I didn't know Bajjo can speak English.
English.
Wow! Hey, you're so in shock.
And then you're over asking him.
Wow!
That's
So you were over asking him. No, so come on, but Bambi, I got your point there.
Naye omwana afuna omusajja.
No, agambye abajja right now kyalabye so far men are stingy mwamusabako kantu katonda
Abasajja gye bade
anti
the man can come yakakusiga sirimu n'akuwa sente zonna zoyagala.
Auntie, that's why I'm taking my time and doing what's right until I'm
she wants to be
ready.
financially
Stable.
Yes.
mentally able afuna omusajja
Sawa zino.
Omanyi n'abasajja namwe muli headache agenda kusoma ddi. Olaba naawe oli ku university kati ate kati agenda ku university kati oyagala asome ddi nga
At the university.
okay muno men are like babies. Didn't you say that, Bajjo? That's what you said.
Meaning you need care.
Care, attention, but she'll be starving.
You said you're a baby.
Let me tell
Men
you,
are
Papa
babies.
Somesi, get a man who understands you. Who understands that you're a student, you must attain that degree. Zinategera dodo. Nategera dodo akatuka kufumbirwa. Ndimo muni mbikiriza paka natoka nagamba ndeka tukole ki. You just get kabla mutima omubira bala basi. Bade kugamba, you get someone who can understand it. Ebyo kamata kumenya sting, not almost. Don't be focused because of money. Better focus on getting gold. Pomo sanja neno kuntegera. Chimaita love to
Not now.
Chimaita love kuliriza. Get someone who can know bear your weaknesses and you can bear his weaknesses too. Don't be focused about money. And she's giving you very wrong advice. A man who approaches you nakulembeza say is a devil. He's after something. After chewing your sumbusa as if he's
Abiseeko, hallelujah.
not all men
Are you getting me?
never
So
Olaba ogonye sumbusa tatakikubawo.
whenever you ask God for a man, ask him the man with wisdom and knowledge. Don't go for loaded guys. Those loaded guys, they sacrifice a lot to get money. Get someone who comes over
But she's 19 years.
But I'm not in a rush. Why do I need that?
lawyer kugamba si we kiri all the time
Omuwala akugambye.
Baba knows how to bag it. Can we speak in
Agamba she's not in a rush. Kale, what is the best time?
The best time from 18 to 35.
To get married.
The best time can for you know.
18 abeera ali ku university. Ali mu lawyer aganye.
Since I was 25.
Hey, why 25? She's telling her. She's telling her.
And she was still studying. She was still studying.
She told you what she was still studying.
No, when did you start dating? When did you date him? See? I'm just driving. No, I'm just driving. I just need. No. It's like this.
At all times, if it's between money and something else, choose money.
Monday. Yeah. Bajjo, you can go.
She never chooses the money. She chooses the marriage. I got married. I got married. Why did she choose the money?
I think I know money more.
Money is the source of every evil. Get money like her. You get money with a professional. And you know money.
akati Bajjo kakubuze kati ku myaka 19 mukulu bangi bali ku campus 19 je bali 20 abala bali muto okiriza wafuna omusajja namugaba mbayagala Musa Swira
mbwayaga sani yagamba omwana ono omuwala wafumbirwe
chembuza omwadvise
omugaba afumbirwe
akiriza bafuna omusajja kwaji nemyaka 1920 amba membuto bali ku university asitekayo omukiriza ko chengamba okiriza atolo omusajja agenda mulabira like agenda Musa Swira tuition
at the moment toina bakowerera
what after tuition
oina school fees
zizino zakola ali mukola.
At the moment when you get a man, don't get a man who will pay holiday majida tozuku
holiday
tofuna musajja agenda kutula school fees
oli ku kituufu no.
Get a supportive man, a man who is genuine, a man who is empathetic asoro gamba mchala wange amwongerezeko kubanga kitawo byatakolera olina kitawo n'ennyoko bye bali kano ki kitawo byatakolera obitako omusajja
ate omusajja
tobola balekolera
you are losing the point. Funa omusajja who is supportive tomumenya.
But why should it run around a man? Can't I do it? Man come in when I'm ready. Do I really need to ask?
Why do you tell a man to give you money if you are not?
That's why I'm working. Is that thing?
Ate ku friends
wasaba bali stingy natukanaga nayo manyi
bakwano be
anti yes those men
ayinza okuba nga goli k'ekikyamu
ate
three factors in life. I speak as a man.
yes
Omukazi awo nga tebamuteetaga kusaba ssente omusajja amuwa
tabimanyi ebyo
abimanyi
omukazi abimanya generation babimanya
akali oyo alinafaako embuzi omukazi owokubiri omukazi ow'empisa oyinza okuba weeraga engeri gyolimu kano ka Miss Independent omusajja you proud nga Bina kalize nekwana Bina Musa masimu simuwala ekyokusatu that mentality alone you have that I can survive without a man. Look at you have a dream that you want to be Miss Independent. It affects you in the wrong line. Never get a wapisa bango manyebe omu kisenge bango li protective bango omukazi ekikulu kya kusobera mu kweko masirimu na mtafuta lubuto ekyo bw'okimala you can do the rest.
ne waliwo emyoyo emikyamu gy'anaafuna nga yeegasse n'abantu
wagifuna bwe gatugifuna bwe myaka 5 gatugifuna
no muneene egyo ebiri
olaba bwe emyoyo emikyamu
bituufu ebyo egiyita mugali mpitawa kata yanerasoka lwakubanze neesabira nkwatawo neesabawo neneesabira nedda anti nedda ayinza okugwa ku abaana b'ennaku zino after you finish studying one month. Yes, after you finish. No, not now.
Right now, I would be rushing.
Yes.
What do you mean?
You know that saying, when you rush,
You crash.
When you rush,
men are
You
distracted.
crash. And men are this. They are like babies. That's what he told us.
yes, I don't have. No, like it's a girl's thing.
You can't understand.
Yes.
Oh, and it's a girl thing. You can't understand.
She has a carrot. She doesn't want to get married. She's a carrot. She's over it. Now, do you know why she's happy? You are following her trend. She's very happy.
A recruiting zone. Why not count?
She recruited now. You will be the third.
Nedda wamma not that.
Bina as a man to the oh, you know what you want.
Nedda sigulina by the way. Wamma kati what number if somebody wanted to book?
Yeah.
What number can I use? Your mom's or you have them?
I have a phone. I have a line. I have a number.
Hey, a line.
Yeah. So
share
if
it with us, please.
anyone wanted to reach me, they would. It's MTN.
Okay.
They
Ngabagamba, they are not my type.
Yes. Okay. For only business.
Yes.
0788
Yeah.
509
Yeah.
509.
Is it also on WhatsApp?
Yeah, it's also on WhatsApp.
Kindly read it out for us again.
07
Yes.
88
Yes.
509 509.
Program on Facebook.
I get up like YouTube. So whoever is going to buy or make an order from
An
you,
order.
you're gonna be
Yes.
supporting
Yes.
the other cause, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that means you said
And also to support the mom.
Yeah, but mainly it's the cancer thing.
Yes.
But then you said you get off everything they buy. You get off a profit of 5K. Is it?
Yes.
10K literally.
10K.
Yes.
Okay. So now let me take a look. You can even decide if this is, for example, is 40. You can say buy it even 80. So it's up to you.
So about how much is Bajjo going to buy it?
So it's always up to you.
Kyagambye muno.
Tulaba.
Mukuula.
Bajjo Bina yagala mugulira akasawo kaako.
Ha.
Kati.
Namala kangulu. Bada
Yena
yena
Mr. P.